Hi, my name is Patrick and I am the founder and owner of Valor Aquaponics LLC. We are a brand new aquaponics farm located out of southeast Wisconsin. I am a 6-year veteran of the United States Air Force and an avid science geek, and that is why I am passionate about aquaponics and the science behind it. For the last 2 months, I have been building 2 prototypes in my house with very good success. And now I am ready to commercialize process, but I can't do it alone. Like many people in this country, I have less than perfect credit and I do not have tons of money. I do work full-time. I have a great job. However, in order for aquaponics to be successful, you need to grow a substantial amount of vegetables and fish to make a profit. The one key difference with Valor Aquaponics though is we are committed to donating at least 20% of our yield to the local community. That is delivering fresh fruit and vegetables that we grow in-house, 100% organic, non-genetically modified fruits and vegetables to our local food pantries so that the people in our community can still enjoy a healthy meal. So I am asking for your help. We are needing funds to purchase, not necessarily purchase, but lease a commercial space, whether it's industrial or warehouse, and then also some seed money to also build, pay for all the building materials, so lumber, pumps, heaters, things like that. I will actually be able to breed my own tilapia as of today, which is Monday, December 2nd, we received our fish farm permit in the state of Wisconsin, and hopefully by next week we will have our LLC fully approved by the state of Wisconsin as well. So if you want to know more about Valor Aquaponics, you can go to our website, which is valoraquaponics.com. And then we also have a YouTube channel that you can see the link to at the top of our website. So, you know, we would really like your help. We have awesome incentives for those that are able to give, whether it's $5, $500, $5,000. 100% of what you give will go to the aquaponics. I'm not taking a dime for salary. I actually will not be taking a salary for at least the first year, if not 2, as I do plan on still working full-time, just so that I am not taking away from the business financially. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming to the campaign. I really hope that you guys will help out a veteran and help make his dreams come true.